Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO A54s and I want to show you a few camera tips. So at first I'm going to show you all the ways how we can take photo. So normally with the shutter we can also use the volume buttons, volume up and down. Take a look. We can also use this fingerprint sensor, but of course we have to enable this option by going to the settings, enable fingerprint shotting, and take a look right now. When you put finger right here, just touch. You will be also able to take photos. I think this way it's really great to use this fingerprint sensor, because you can hold your phone steady with your hand and then just smoothly slide or touch this sensor. There's also another way how to take photo. It will be right here in the shotting methods, so we can tap to capture, take a look. You can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken after a few seconds. But it's not working that fast like this sensor right here. Another method to take photo will be by holding this shutter, and you can take series of the photo. And also it works with the volume buttons. Okay, so there's also the last method how to take photo. It will be in the shotting methods. You can show the palm of your hand when you enable this option, but of course you have to switch to the front camera, then just show your palm like that, and the photo will be also taken. So right now we can go and take a look how the zoom feature works. And as you can see, we got the presets like 1x, 2x, 5x. When you click and hold, you will get this slider, and with the slider you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. But you can also go back to the settings and change option of volume buttons. It's right here. Change to the zoom, and you can zoom in with volume up and zoom out with volume down. If you want to get more details on the photos, you can go for the more tab. Oh, sorry, it wasn't here. Oh, wait a minute, it looks like I just... Okay, never mind, sorry guys, it was on the OPPO A96, not in the A54. So never mind, but I can show you how to change brightness level on the photos. So tap on the screen and move the sun icon like that to decrease or increase brightness level. It will be also good to turn off this touch photography, because each time you tap on the screen, you will take photo. So just go for the shotting methods, turn it off, and right now this feature works definitely better. We can also open this kind of the menu. Oh, okay, there it is. Sorry, that was my bad. So we can enable the 50 megapixel mode right here, and let me just show you how it works. So just take photo with this mode, and right now we are going to take photo without this mode. And let's make a small comparison. So that's photo taken without this mode, and that's photo taken with 50 megapixel mode. As you can see, we can zoom in a little bit closer, and also we can spot more details, but it's not like big deal, it's not a game changer, but yeah, a little bit more details in this mode. So yeah, that's all for this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.